You are about to enter the aftermath of the 2011 blizzard in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Enjoy the ride! Snow drifts outside. Woo! That snowdrift is probably about 5 feet, maybe 6 feet. It's February 2nd, 2011 in Franklin, Wisconsin. The blizzard of the year, of many years, I guess. There's my car. The snowdrift up to the window. Okay, I am up to my knees already in the snow. Whoa! Okay, so here I'm now on the road. This is the road, which is obviously impassable. The road to get to the road to get out. I'm sure you can hear the wind whipping. Look at that, you can't even see my wheel. Ooh, it's cold. Okay. Wow, look at over here. Look at that. The drifts are up to half of your eye. Should be able to see, but because of the drift, right now, as you can see, I don't know if I think they tried to come in the plow. It looks like there's tire tracks, but they obviously couldn't make it any further. Well, they've plowed the roads pretty well, actually. So if I could get out of the entrance there, I could get out, but I don't think that's going to happen. Woo! Blowing a lot still. Blizzard of 2011 Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Cold, lots of snow. This is crazy. I want to walk over there to see how high it is, but I'm afraid it'd be over my head. Woo! Okay, time to go back inside. Just wanted to give you a Can you see? I'm upside down, but